where do I start with this one? Right, so I've just seen the second video from this car meet where people are racing up and down and this fucking car has been smashed in and it's taken off, and you all know what I'm on about, right? And this needs sharing all over the groups, right? You're all complaining that the police are dickheads, they're all fucking smelly piggy bastards, whatever else. I see it all, right? Yeah, I can understand when they're picking on the ones that are going to static meets, but you fucking set of dickheads, right, that are going to these meets and driving like fucking knobheads, right? I'm not even bothered who gets fucking offended by this, right? I've just seen that video, man, and it's fucking disgusting. You know, you call yourselves fucking car enthusiasts and you're driving like fucking bell ends. If you want to prove that you're a fucking race driver, right, go to a fucking track, go to a drag strip, go pay and go up against fucking drivers. Don't fucking race about in your fucking standard Golf R's and your fucking shitty clapped out cars thinking you're a fucking race driver, right? Because you're ruining it for all the fucking proper enthusiasts that just want to go somewhere, chill and admire fucking people's pride and joys. You people that are going to these fucking meets, right? It fucking winds me up. You're just a set of dickheads. Stop doing it. Go to a fucking static meet. If you want to meet up with your friends and show your car off, rather go to a track, go race around a track, go to a drag strip, race up the strip, or go to a car park or find a private space. I'm a car enthusiast myself. If you don't know me, I'm Ash, owner of UK Boost, right? I'll admit, at the start, when these strips where everyone used to go racing, right, I went to them. They were pretty organised, fair enough. People used to go to the bottom, there was someone standing there, everyone would race up to the top, and this is in Leeds, by the way. They'd race up to the top, everyone would pull to the side, and then everyone would slowly drive down to the bottom and then start all over again. Fair enough, I'm cool with that, right? But when you're driving up and down industrial estates, fucking opposite each other, doing 100, 120 mile an hour, if you're in a fucking shitbox and you're only doing 60, you gotta think, mate, when you're going head on into each other, right, if someone steps out into that road and you've got to think fast and you swerve and there's another car coming down 120 mile an hour, you're gonna be fucked, mate. You're gonna be like fucking mashed potato with a bit of fucking red sauce on the screen, you know what I mean? You are gonna be fucked, and then you're not even thinking about everyone that's on curbside. Like you've just seen on this video that's going about, it's wiped out fucking multiple fucking people when it's gone off and it's fucking splattered them. You know, just think about what you're doing. Just stop doing these events. Whoever's doing them, stop doing them, because you're ruining it for everyone else. And please share this about, right, so they can hear me fucking chatting shit and ranting about this, because it needs to stop. It needs to stop. You're ruining it for everyone, right? And the police are going to clamp down, right? And all that's going to happen is they're just going to fuck you over. As soon as they see a modified car, right, they're going to fuck you over. So just stop it. Stop it now.